The Nexara Studio Kit was born from a simple observation. The most talented interior designers lose hours every week managing administration rather than creating. This is the price of your creative freedom. Documents cobbled together in Word, processes reinvented for every project, crucial details forgotten along the way. This invisible mental load is what separates a passionate designer from an accomplished business leader. This system was built from the inside out by an interior designer and cabinet maker who tested every document on real projects with real clients on the ground here in Quebec. It is raw expertise, systematized. The philosophy is simple. A professional studio isn't improvised, it's systematized. When your documents reflect the quality of your creative work, your clients feel it from the very first contact. You win their trust even before presenting a concept, because rigor is the purest form of respect for your art and for your clients. What this kit offers that the market doesn't: 22 documents tested on real projects, an end-to-end system designed for the North American market, and workflow fluidity at every strategic step. No subscriptions, just excellence for life. And most importantly, it's the only system that integrates artificial intelligence at 11 key steps of your workflow. Employee, to skyrocket your productivity without ever compromising your unique signature. Let's dive into the first part, the client design system. 11 documents to structure every interaction, from the first handshake to the key handover. It all starts with the master document, the Nexara system, 22 pages explaining how everything fits together. This is your boussole. Read it first to understand the full power of this tool. The client brief is your first contact, a 19-page questionnaire that captures your client's expectations, budget, and lifestyle with surgical precision. Eliminate misunderstandings before they even exist. Needs discovery transforms a simple conversation into structured data. 14 pages to explore functional and emotional needs. It's no longer just design, it's systematized empathy. Your fees become a sales tool. Present your offer with absolute confidence. No more awkward conversations about price. This 17-page document justifies every dollar invested in your expertise. Client engagement defines the scope. It protects your studio while reassuring the client. Includes a specific section for custom cabinetry projects. A clear agreement for serene production. The project timeline is your visual roadmap. Allow your client to understand the phases and deadlines. Reduce follow-up questions with proactive and elegant communication. The investment guide is the most comprehensive scoping document in the kit. 29 pages to explain real costs. Become the trusted partner who eliminates budget shock. Implementation structures the execution phase. Who does what, when, and in what order. This is the essential operational clarity for fluid coordination with your contractors and suppliers. The FF&E schedule centralizes all your specifications, materials, finishes, prices. Avoid costly ordering errors. An 11-page deliverable that proves your technical rigor. The project presentation is your moment of glory. 30 fully customizable slides to deliver your creative vision. Transform every presentation into a memorable experience for your client. Finally, project closure. Formalize delivery and harvest satisfaction. A well-closed project is the seed for your future referrals. Professionalism down to the very last detail. Your studio's identity is your signature. Let's move to part 2, the Studio Brand Kit. 7 documents to ensure perfect visual consistency. The brand board documents your DNA, colors, typography, logo. This is the reference you share to ensure every touchpoint with your studio breathes the same luxury. 10 pages of pure identity. The mood board kit offers 3 ready-to-use creative scenarios. Provide different directions from the very first design phase. Save time while staying inspired. The sample mood board shows real-world application on a concrete project. Your guide to calibrating the exceptional quality of your own design presentations. The cabinetry guide is a Nexara exclusive, 16 pages designed for designers working with cabinet makers. Your technical expertise is now equal to your artistic talent. Your signature comes in 7 business card variants and a studio presentation. From luxury black to editorial cream, Each format reflects a high-quality positioning. The Tools and AI document is your technological companion. Learn which tools to integrate and which tasks to automate to stay ahead without losing the essence of your craft. And to take action, the AI Prompt Library. An optimized prompt for each section of the kit. Copy, paste, adapt. Saving time has never been so simple for a designer. Finally, Part 3, Client Process Documents. 4 documents for absolute relational fluidity. Because luxury is also the absence of friction. The email templates. 5 models written with the right tone. Professional, warm, and perfectly adapted to the market. From the proposal to the final delivery. The onboarding guide is the first tangible deliverable received by your client. Professionalize the beginning of the relationship and set mutual expectations from the start. A memorable welcome. The pre-delivery checklist is your quality protocol. 8 pages to verify every technical and aesthetic detail before the key handover. Seichi and na board C. The ultimate proof of your professionalism. Finally, the communication protocol, the most powerful document to eliminate costly misunderstandings. Define your channels, your response times, and your rules of engagement. Respect for your time starts here. 22 documents, 29 Canva links, immediate and editable access in your own colors. It's the entire Nexara ecosystem condensed to propel your studio to the top of the industry. Move to the next level. Adopt the rigor of the top 0.1%. Rediscover the joy of creating by letting the system handle the rest. Welcome to the future of your studio. Welcome to Nexara.